Okay, hello everybody. How are you? Great to be here. And as you can see, the four of us are back together. The lovely Susie McRae, Julie Wen, and Chris. Hey, Johnson. We're all here. We've got some exciting little update for you regarding KYC, and it's something that's coming direct from our CEO Ash Mufarah, who wants us to bring you this little bit of an update. So it really is an exciting particular focus that Ash really likes as far as Victory with Ash is concerned, and that is KYC. Know your customer. Really important as far as business is concerned. Why? Because it means every single person within Victory with Ash has been qualified. They are real people, and that means such a lot nowadays to make sure that bots or imposters aren't part of our very exclusive network of people. He has also said that how proud he is using our very own in-house organically developed AI KYC system. It's totally integrated within the framework of Victory with Ash, working flawlessly across this platform, Victory with Ash, and also the new platform we will be going into, that big, bold, beautiful dream further on down the line. Victory with Ash and the upcoming business, along with our data intelligence analysis for forensic systems. How exciting is all of that? This initiative is part of our commitment to maintain a clean, scalable, and fully compliant system as we continue to expand. This is great news. This is super exciting for what is coming our way. I want to hand it over now to our very own Julie Wen. Over to you.
Thank you, Red. Hello, Red. Hello, Susie. Hello, Chris. Hello, everyone. Yes, this is a great development, Red. And to add to this exciting information, Red, Mr. Mufarah also said we have a good grip of our data monitoring and monetization in a very, very intelligent way. He also added, we are proud to share this with the public. So, for those of you who are listening to this right now, you should tune in, stay close to your circle, stay close to your member as updates are shared. We want to keep everyone in our community informed, aligned, moving together while we are in Victory with Ash. Things are definitely building up. The preparation from Mr. Mufarah said, and his team and the entire team has been as its best. Am I right, Susie?
Yes, you are, Julie. Hello, everyone. So good to see us all together here. Things are about to erupt and explode in a good way. So many of you, there are details with your team. So we recommend you stay tuned and focused. So I want to read another message from Mr. Ash Mufarah. Rest assured, we've built a powerful platform designed to handle millions without a blink or a glitch. Without a blink or a glitch. Eventually, the masses. This is only the beginning. This platform is here to stay as a step towards our historic comeback, our big, bold, beautiful dream. Ash is truly excited, and we want to give a big thanks to his incredible team. Ash, we thank you for sharing that with us. And I just want to add something. I know Ash has a mantra, and it is no structure, no fulfillment. No structure, no fulfillment. So what does fulfillment mean? Fulfillment means success, achievement, longevity. And what does structure mean? We all know what structure means. You need those steps lined up so that you can have fulfillment. This is what he's doing. This is what his team is doing. So they will continue to deliver with structure so that we have fulfillment. I'm excited. This is all great news, very powerful news. And Chris, I'm going to send it over to you so you can wrap things up.
Wow, you saved the best for last, didn't you? I'm kidding. Red, I firstly want to say thank you for letting us intrude onto your normal live time. We appreciate you letting us jump on here with you. So thank you again, brother. And it's great to see you on the camera sitting right next to us. Julie, Susie, you guys know what you are to me. Thank you for everything you've done in helping a lot of people, including myself. Well, hey, everybody. As you heard from all of these lovely people here, talking about our brand new AI KYC, it's in the house. It is integrated. Our platform, Susie just said that, but I want to say it again. Our platform is designed to handle millions without a blink or a glitch. All right. Eventually, the masses. Music to my ears. I'm sure it's music to your ears. And this is only the beginning. But please make sure you spread this out to your circles and your people that you want to get interested into this. It's very, very important. Now, since I said the word masses, I want to touch on something that shook me to the core yesterday. I did a little bit of research because that's what I do now. I'm retired. Sometimes I get bored and I like to do research. And in my head, I kept saying masses. So I actually did some research and looked up a few things. Population numbers, 349 million people in the USA. As of March 2026, there are approximately 7.2 million unemployed people in the United States. That's a lot for the United States, okay? And I'll get globally there, don't worry. Roughly 64% to 71% of American workers are actively looking for a second job or side hustle due to economic anxiety, inflation. That's some pretty big numbers, okay? Now get this one. As of early 2026, approximately 8.7 to 9.3 million Americans already hold multiple jobs. All right, I personally want to erase that. I don't want anyone to have more than one job, but that's the real stats. Now listen to this one. This is what shook me to the core. And I really want you to hear what I'm going to say. Based on a study from 2024 to 2026, it was a survey data, approximately 50 to over 60 of people globally have expressed interest in starting their own business. This specific desire to launch an online focused business is rapidly growing, particularly with the younger generation. Now, why do I say that? This is how I look at it. There's 8.2 billion people in this world, all right? 60% over the age of 18 in this world, 60% now are looking for something new, something different, something that is just going to better their life. And this is all I see in this company and this education we're about to get. 60%. That's over 4 billion people. And a lot of you are concerned I'm not going to get anyone to these classes. Right now, this world is hungry for something new, something that's going to work. And the system that we're going to be learning, 20 years of things that work. Everyone's going to want this. 4.2 billion people over the age of 18 are going to be hunting you down because they're hungry, they're thirsty, they want a better life. So look at it this way. All of us, we kind of hold the key to 60% of the world's success for something that works. And you still think people aren't going to be interested? Remember that, 60%. Last thing I'm going to say, remember the saying, don't bite the hand that feeds you. I got a new saying in this company. How about holding on to the hand that wants to help you? That's all I got. Plug into your back office. Guys, thanks again. It's a lot of fun. Think about 60%. You know why I think about 60%? Because they are coming. I love you all. Back to you, Suze.
Okay, well, thank you, Red. If you want to close things up, we did kind of hijack your live. So Julie or Red, Julie, good to see you. Red, go for it. We can wrap it up.
Thanks very much, guys. As always, exciting stuff coming your way as far as Victory with Ash is concerned. Things are starting to move, guys. Get busy, start engaging, start listening to what we're telling you. And it is not going to be far off now before it starts popping. That's it from all of us. Speak to you all very soon. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.